These aren't cars. They're people. People with their own backgrounds, routines, and habits. Like forgetting to lock the car. Or where they've parked it. So that's all easy enough if you have one car. But what if your job is to manage 2,000? And each vehicle has its own unique driver and maintenance needs. You have your perfect drivers, your adventurers, or your unlucky ones. But now, with connected car technology, the Mobility Manager can access powerful new insights to help keep drivers moving. Knowing more about your drivers also means you know exactly when they need a new car. And while you take care of your drivers, we take care of their data, keeping it safe and secure. Because when you're driving with TomTom Telematics, you're driving connected. Connecting you to a connected world. To make every driver's life just that bit easier. Welcome home.